Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add or withdraw fund from Airtm to YZ or YZ to Airtm. You can see my YZ and Airtm account. There is lot of funds. If you want to withdraw or add fund from Airtm to YZ, you have to click on setting and add payment method. You can see here add payment method. You have to search here YZ and then click on YZ USD. You have to choose YZ USD must be, and here you go. And then you can see there is my email address linked in my YZ account and also my Airtm account, and then click on add option and you can see my YZ USD account is already added to my Airtm account. Now I can withdraw fund from Airtm or add fund from YZ, and click on withdraw option and select here uh, how to withdraw using Airtm or YZ. You can see there is my Airtm account and this is the YZ account. I have selected already, and if I click here, and you can see I can pay here using Airtm USDC. I want to choose for USDC and I will get 3.83 USD in my YZ account, and then you can see how many fees will be cut in my account. And next I will choose here 10 USDC and I will get 9.72 USDC, and I have to click continue option and then it will be continued and I will get USD in my YZ account. You can see. So I want to add fund from YZ using Airtm. Now click on skip button and search here YZ. I will search here YZ and YZ USD. Here you go. You can see YZ USD. Now I have to type here how many dollar I want to add here. If I will choose here 100 USD, I will get 105 USDC, and then click on continue option and I will get this dollar in my YZ account. This is the way how to add fund or how to withdraw fund from Airtm or from YZ.